How to download and install Bandicam free screen recorder. To download Bandicam free screen recorder, you can follow these steps. First, go to the official website of Bandicam and download the free version of the software. You can use this link, https://www.bandicam.com/downloads. After downloading the file, run the tamzatuk.exe file and follow the installation instructions. Once the installation is complete, you can launch Bandicam and start recording your screen. You can choose from various recording modes, such as full screen, selected area, or around mouse cursor. You can also adjust the settings for audio, video, webcam, and more. To start recording, click the red rec button on the top right corner of the Bandicam window. To stop recording, press the F12 key or click the stop button. The recorded video will be saved in the output folder that you specified in the settings. If you want to remove the watermark and record for more than 10 minutes per video, you need to register Bandicam with a license key. You can/should purchase a license key from the Bandicam website. Using a keygen or cracked file may be illegal or unsafe, so I do not recommend it. Learn more. 1. Screen recorder download. Best screen recording software, Bandicam. https://www.bandicam.com/downloads. 2. How to install Bandicam screen recorder. https://www.bandicam.com/support/intro/bandicam_install.